Hey guys, I'm Avail back again with another video. This time let's compare the display and sound quality of these two devices, this Vivo T1 and this Redmi Note 11. In this video, let's compare the video, viewing experience and the sound quality of these two devices, and we'll see that which one will be the better option if your topmost priority is media consumption. Okay, so before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos, and if you've already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started. This Redmi Note 11 comes with 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel, and peak brightness is at around 700 nits, whereas this Vivo T1, it comes with an IPS panel, LCD IPS panel, with peak brightness around 400 to 600 nits, and it is having 120 Hz refresh rate, whereas this Redmi Note 11 comes with 90 Hz refresh rate. So on paper, this one is actually better, this Redmi Note 11. Now let's see that which one is actually better when we watch videos on them. Let's play this YouTube video on both of these devices, and at the moment both of these actually support up to only 1080p videos on YouTube. Okay, let me show this here. Advanced, here you can see that only 1080p option is available, and here as well, okay, on this Redmi Note 11. Okay, now let's play this and we'll see that if there is any significant difference. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and you observe and let me know your thoughts about it. So according to me, both are actually really good. There is hardly any difference, but yes, as it is, an AMOLED panel, so you have vivid colors. Okay, so if you check it yourself, in front of you, then you can see the difference here. Yeah, the camera might miss that thing, but yes, both are actually really good. But it is a kind of personal preference, because some of you may like the punchy colors on AMOLED panel, so which is actually really good on this one. Yeah, this one is also good. Yeah, I really liked the sharpness of this device, this display. The sharpness is better on this one. Yeah, so it is having actually a bit sharper display than this one. Otherwise the overall color reproduction is actually better on this one, being a obviously an AMOLED panel. Yeah, you can see the difference here. The vivid colors are here on this AMOLED panel compared to this one. Now let's play another video to check human complexions. Now let's play this. 1, 2, 3. So you can see that actually this one, is having, or I can say producing more vivid colors. And the good thing is that both of these panels are really well calibrated. Yeah, no oversaturation, no reddish or warmer tones, exaggerated color tones are not there. Okay, so both are actually really good, and you will actually hardly notice any significant difference. Okay, so you can see that. But yes, to some extent this one is having more vivid color reproduction according to me. So both of these devices, they come with wideband L1 certification, so they do support HD playback on OTT platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime. But at the moment, none of these are actually supporting HD playback on Netflix. You can see that it is there. Okay, but if I play it, it is not rendering the video in HD quality. You can see here, right? The same thing is with this one Redmi Note 11. Okay, however, let's check it on Prime Videos. Yes. On Prime Videos, you can see that this Redmi Note 11 is actually supporting HD playback. You can see this, okay? The quality is actually pretty good. Yeah, you can see this, okay? But now let's check this on this Vivo T1. You can see that no, it is not HD. So overall, I can say that the video viewing experience will be better on this Redmi Note 11. Now let's check on the sound quality of these two devices. This Redmi Note 11 comes with dual speakers, okay, at the bottom as well as at the top, and it is also having high resolution audio certification, which is missing on this Vivo T1, which is having just one bottom firing speaker here. Now let's play music and we'll see that how significant will be the difference. Now let's start with this Vivo T1. This is the maximum volume.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't want to get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I want to chase the bag. I want a way I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
Okay. So I can say that though it is having just one single bottom firing speaker, the sound quality is actually good. Okay, not really good, but it is good actually. The clarity is okay, not that great. The loudness is actually good. Okay, no problem. Yeah, now let's play this one.
I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy. All these thoughts are too negative. I don't want to get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I want to chase the bag. I want a way I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
So according to me, obviously this is a bit louder than this one, and as it is having this dual speaker setup, because of that the sound is actually more balanced compared to this one, and apparently the treble is higher on this one and the clarity is also better on this one. Okay, so what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Okay, what is your observation? So according to me, both the display and the sound quality, they are better on this Redmi Note 11. So if you are looking for a budget phone but your priority is actually media consumption, you want to watch videos and you want to listen to music, yeah, then this is a really good option considering the price. The display and sound both are actually really good on this Redmi Note 11. So let me know what you think about it, and I believe that this comparison is going to help you, and if it does, then do let me know in the comments. And if you end up liking my videos, then do subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. So till the next video, cheers.